Welcome back to Big Saj Builds, and today we've got a nice new update on the budget drag car build. Well, it's not really a budget anymore, but Baba Yaga's almost done. So the last update we had, Baba Yaga was at Rusty's to get all of this beautiful pipe work done. Turbos mounted, all the intercooler piping done, nice and gorgeous. Put some nice 3 inches on there, 45s, brought it around, brought it up looking fabulous. But look at that, whew. The up pipes, the exhaust pipe, the screamers looking marvelous, all of the pipes looking gorgeous. But another thing he's done for me, he's 3D printed me an inlet scoop straight for the turbo, backside of it. Look at that, it looks majestic. But yeah, obviously he's not done yet. Got a few little niggly bits. Yeah, Nabil, that's still loose. That's not connected, that's loose. The flex fuel sensor, still loose. I'm just going to cable tie that, forget it. Well look, he's doing that catch cut as well. He's doing a wicked job of that. It's looking spectacular. The car has been back for over a week now. Honestly, spent maybe 3-4 days at Rusty's, and unfortunately it didn't make fast show. But hey ho, we're just going to get it all going. It's going over to BMT's in a few days. He's booked me an appointment with him. He goes, bring it down. I'm just going to do a nut and bolt check. Going to check everything, make sure everything's good. Get a base map from one of his cars and fire it up. Hopefully ready for door slammers, baby. Well, just got to go to Gordon's. He's going to do his magic with his little laptop. He's going to do a bit of this, and it should be Gucci. But today, what we're going to do, just going to wire up the boost solenoid. I should have done that ages ago, but hey, I'll just do that now. Just going to put the front bumper back on. Just going to remount my oil cooler. The cable ties, I think Rusty's taken them off. It doesn't matter. Got a blue radiator hose. That was leaking. Let's see the interior. Okay. So the roll cage is somewhat in. Just needs welding on the back plates ideally. Bumper's coming out. I am going to gut everything, but for now I'm just going to keep the dash, I think. I just want to gut the lot, man. But it's looking fantastic. Let's get to work. Boost solenoid is done. Unfortunately the bracket didn't fit, so just cable tied. It's rock hard for now. We got the top of the wastegate going to port A, bottom of the wastegate into port B, and the compressor housing going to the inlet, exhaust vent to atmosphere. Connected our rather crude wiring up to a connector near the TPS. Again, all of this rat's nest is going to get sorted eventually. Now, I think that engine bay is fully complete. There's nothing else that needs to be done here, I think. I believe that is it. Wow, it's been a long time coming. So here in the House of Speed, don't know if you guys recognize this garage, but it's the BMT house. Baba Yaga's here. And the new pilot's in it as well.
Ore! We are in Saj's vehicle for the first startup.
Shout out to Jesse for helping us with the wiring.
Yeah.
It helps with that.
We had some wiring issues where actually we didn't start it, but it was cranking. No, it wasn't cranking. Then we got it to crank. Anyway, so you ready for your startup?
Well, let's try fit.
But I think you should give the camera to him so we can get your reaction.
Oh, alright.
Cameraman Sabs.
Well, listen, are we going to unplug the injectors? Or we're just going to send it because I don't know if it's got oil pressure yet or not, innit?
Yeah, but how are you going to know you got oil pressure anyway?
I don't know. My gauge ain't connected.
I'll do what my initial plan was.
No, he's...
No, yeah, we're not going to be starting.
Yeah, no, we're just building OP. Go on, again, Jamie. I don't know.
You can't feel nothing?
No.
Okay.
Force.
His heaters work.
Are you alright there, Saj?
No. There's oil in there.
So that's come through. Take your oil cap off. Now just hold it now into the oil cap. Inside.
No, we will.
You just gotta hover it. Yeah?
Go. Yep.
It's not gonna come straight away, Lala.
Come in.
Dripping, it's dripping.
Yeah.
Very
Fuck the rag. Let's start this bitch.
You know, stop making me panic.
Oi, you got oil light. The car said you got oil light.
Get up.
I thought
Talk about Dakar, I'm stressed.
Look, the oil light. Why the oil light on?
Oh, because there's no oil in there. Get up. Hang on.
Fucking car's off any can't.
Oh, Chaudhary, I need some rags, bro.
They're over there in the corner. If you don't win door slammers, you watch, bro. Shai, you okay?
Chow's not okay, bro. Chow's fucking...
Sabil, is he stressing?
I'm not stressing, I'm just stressed.
Why?
Because of you!
What are you doing?
What are you gonna be?
You ready to start the RS3, my brother?
Start cars.
You ready?
Let's go.
Listen,
Fucking smells methy, go on.
you got engine light for cam position sensor circuit.
Camshaft position.
Yep.
Oh, so the two thing is the back, innit?
That sometimes only beats timing. Sometimes.
My timing's good. That was the only thing I triple fucking checked. Timing's perfect.
Doesn't sound like it's misfired.
No, it doesn't.
That's the one thing I can.
Let me reset it. Hold on.
Oh, buddy! You know, just.
And your TPS is not working at all. Have you plugged it in?
Yeah, plugged in.
That's not working at all. Okay, we can adjust it. You're only getting 20% throttle. So what to do is, so all you gotta do is,
Oh, yeah, let go. Yeah.
oh yeah,
What's that reading?
huh?
What's that reading?
20?
This calibrating, that's
Can you loosen the screw?
Okay.
And then I'll tell you what to do. Why has he got spanners?
that's easy.
What, man?
Jay! The fuck are you doing?
Well, you said loosen the fucking nut.
I said loosen the TPS.
Loosen the TPS.
What did you tell you to listen?
Bro, I don't know about the fucking thing. Loosen TPS. Where the fuck is the thing? Chaudhary, don't fuck about.
As you can see, I'm in his vehicle here. And Saj is
don't know where the
really
fucking thing's
struggling,
on, man.
so we have got Sabil to help him. Oh, look at my baby, bro. It's hard to get her ready, fam. I
Oh,
don't know
shit,
what's
yeah,
going
that's
on
fine.
with it, but
No,
we're
it's fine,
trying,
man.
we're trying.
That's perfect.
So, we have got a few little issues with Saj's car. We got an engine light for air temp
You need
sensor,
that?
and we have got an engine light for
Oh, we don't
cam
need that.
position sensor. Now, there could also be a faulty crank sensor.
Crank.
Yes.
What is a camshaft?
No, it is crank and cam. All three are connected together.
What size is that?
The crankshaft sensor is new.
Okay.
Connected straight to the thing.
OEM.
OEM.
It might be a setting on my... But you got cams in? Because if it is, we're frightened. We're frightened.
Now do it 3 times.
Hanji, dosto, 1, 2, 3. Bye.
Try it now.
Oh yeah, 1 minute. So we're going to try and calibrate this now. So, okay, you turn it other way.
You won't go no more the other way.
Seriously? We're fucked. That's 15%. Do it now. Nothing.
Nah.
What you mean, bro? That's not even full opening the throttle though, is it? Is that full opening all the way? So I normally do it that way, but for some reason it's not helping for some reason.
Get some real heavy hitters on the car. Real heavy hitters.
Real bad man.
Taking this off.
Take it off. License. Open it now, Sabine. 15%. We're gonna put it. Okay, let go. Is the TPS loose? Loosen it up. Okay, stop 1 minute. Hammer time.
So we got a faulty TPS. Getting the mapping session in. He's on his phone.
Okay.
Wicked. So,
I'm gonna
so,
come
so
down.
far so good, alhamdulillah. We got
Do
jamming
full throttle on
spare
it now.
TPS.
Okay, you ready?
Have you got full throttle?
Yeah. Change the ECU.
Change ECUs.
Yeah. A little bit more. You know what to do? Hold on.
Got Big Saj Build adjusting the throttle body.
Try now.
Wait there. That was me holding it. So you gotta go a bit more.
Okay, we got throttle body issues.
Is both the sensor thing up again, man?
What's crankshaft?
So much. Oh. Can you turn it down a little bit? Yeah, just a little bit. Bit more.
goes bang. Baba Yaga's done, baby. Brought to the BMT garage, the house of speed. Look at him there, big wizard himself. He's doing some stuffs. But yeah, we only had a couple of issues. One was the TPS, somewhere around it. Here we go. It was a reading 100%. That was fucked. Jamin changed it, fixed that. Then we had another issue with the cam pulse plates. So I put some new ones in. Jesse came. We thought the timing was off. Timing was bang on. Big up Big Saj. Wicked guy, knows exactly what he's doing. So yeah, Jesse's changed the pulse plates out. Pushed my cams a bit back. And it just started to work. Here's Miru, who goes to me by his lip. Because my car looks like it's got a underbite. Should we start it? Let's start it. Mad ting. Save, boys. Hoi.
Wait, before you start it, yeah? Mackie's window, what do you need?
Can I have a 38
Remember
fish
you done that
fillets?
to me?
Hello, welcome to window one. So, mobilizer.
Come on, Lala.
But hang on, man, I'm staging.
Your camera's getting tired.
Mad ting. Yo, cousin with the buzzin'. I've stalled it. I'm not used to no power steering, and I've leaked fuel everywhere as well. I got it higgy, but the brakes are shocking. Fuck it.
Going on the video.
You might need to bleed him a bit more, you know, fam. You need to go old school bleeding, bro.
Gravity bleed.
No, fuck that bullshit, man. Press pump.
One person pumping, holding,
Yeah.
pumping, holding.
I need to check your thing, 'cause it stinks of fuel in there.
Drop fuel. That's why I took the can out.
Drives mint. Well, I say mint. Not used to that non-power steering life or the manual life in general. Mate, twin plate clutch. It's too stiff. Oh, I'm so gassed with it, man. So gassed. Now we're off to Gordon's. Hopefully tomorrow. Get it map, see what she makes. It's currently on Jamin's ECU. Got a Honda out there. So you need to sort all of that mess out. You sort everything out. But it runs fine. Runs happy, and it feels so Gucci. I can't wait, man. Oh yes. But for now, bleed them brakes again, because they are absolute ass. Absolute booty cheeks. But we happy. We happy. We built a car to rival the Silver Surfer. Do you see his face?
No fucking cameras. Get the fuck out.
We have made it to the infamous street races. Gordon's disappeared to do freaking wizard shit. The cars and the dyno. Look at it. Fantastic. Said to Gordon I'll be a bit upset if he makes less than 550 horsepower. So let's see, man. Excited. It's a very apprehensive drive here. But we're here though, man. We are here. Left the meth at home. Jamin's bringing it. Ralphie? Water. My hose came off. Who the fuck was that? It was me. Water.
It's like that.
That was always gonna fail, I'm not gonna lie to
Bearing
you.
of water.
My radiator hose, I mean the cap is about that short. I cut it too small. Sorry Gordon. Water everywhere.
Just see what the fuel pressure is. When I'm
60.
putting it on the load.
Okay.
What's it now?
82. You were quaking in your Reeboks, you were.
I don't wear Reebok.
Yeah, whatever they are. You were shaking, you were scared,
Why did you box it backwards?
quaking, shaking. You live another day, Tichi. Live another day.
What? I'm shaking.
Yeah, look.
That much rev and power we got enough for indoor.
Boy.
You wish. Come,
Oh.
let's have it now on the street before man.
Let's go.
Go, off you go. Brother and brother.
Let's have it now
Can't
before
do
this.
this too many
Before
times
man.
Last year I took him out in semi-finals.
Red light, mate.
Go,
You got red light? I
Fine.
built a surfer last time.
He's not got a built engine in yet.
Yeah, man. What we got here, lad?
We have got a box shape in EF Tichi's car. We're just checking it over, make sure everything's bang on. What are you saying?
Not happy.
Why are you not happy?
511 at 7,000 RPM.
That's fucking amazing. I don't know if you can hear me, but order!
There's Baba Yaga. Back on one of the best trucks in the game, Veli's Recoveries. Big shout out to Maka for giving us one of his trucks. One of many he's got. Made 511 horsepower. 7,000 RPM, I believe, or 7,500 RPM. But hey ho. Need a bigger manifold, need a 60mm freaking wastegate as well. We'll be back. We're gonna go mad. Turbo Zentrum. We need a 60mm wastegate now. But that is it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, just please leave a like and subscribe. Hopefully we'll be at Door Slammers with full power.